I had somebody pull up beside me and say thank you through his window. That's a sense of accomplishment that people feel gratitude for what we've done.
For the first several years of the Peace Trail project, we were working with an abandoned rail line, and it was all grown up with trees and brush and things like that. And so we had a lot of people who would come out, and we manually cleared the trail. Cut the trees, cut the brush, threw everything aside. And that developed into a very cohesive group of volunteers.
Rock County Friends began roughly 5 years ago, just picking up and doing volunteer activities and donate all the proceeds back to the county parks.
People like to assume that the trail was already there, the tread was already smooth, the signage was already done.
We've got a list of projects so that we always have something to do. We do mowing, if we have a tree come down on the trail, we'll clean that up. We're going to be clearing and replacing benches, redoing trail.
I think that once I became a member and that was down working, didn't realize the work that it takes to keep the trail open.
Bike trails are no longer a nicety in a community, they're a necessity. And we've got some people now that understand how important it is to not only pick up trash, but get more bike lanes and bike paths and make it safe for people to get to work, to recreate, and just to enjoy, getting on a bicycle and riding.
I was pulling our trailer the other day and coming back from an event, and I had somebody pull up beside me and say thank you through his window. That's a sense of accomplishment that people feel gratitude for what we've done.
It's just about seeing people using the parks. I understand what a park is, but to see people benefiting from the use of the park, I think that's what makes it special. Rock County takes value in the fact that we are at the southern gateway to Wisconsin. Whether you're a trail user or you're a bird watcher or you're a photographer, what binds them all together is the opportunity to encounter one another out in the park and take in that awe moment, whatever that is, and then share that with the people around you. I think that's what makes it special.
Being retired, I could sit in a coffee shop all day long and read and be just perfectly content, but I wouldn't be healthy.
I think outdoor recreation in general has just blossomed. There's a lot of interest in creating trails, people are using trails, and they're looking for more trails.
I cannot believe, since I moved here, the increasing number of trails.
We've had one situation where one of the neighbors for years had objected to the trail going past the back of his property, and we got the trail down to near his property, and he saw all these people using it all the time and thought, this is the right thing to do. And he changed his mind and sold the property to the city of Janesville, and we moved along another 2 miles. It's what we've been doing for 30 years. It's just what we do, It's just part of who we are. It's our identity.
As people walk through these woods, there are woods, and people need to take care of them. I think that it takes a village kind of thing, but it takes a community. That's what I would like to see people take away from this.
What about the future? The future growth and development, we should be planning now for our children and our grandchildren.